If you're seeing an Epic Games account error, login loop, or a sign-in problem that just will not go away, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get your account access working again. This is one of the most effective ways to troubleshoot Epic Games login issues, especially when the launcher keeps acting like something is wrong with your account, even though your password is correct. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, because it really helps the channel a lot. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and start a new Incognito or private window. This is important because private browsing helps remove old session data that may be causing the error. Sometimes a normal browser window keeps loading bad cookies or stale login information, and that can trigger account problems with Epic Games. So use Incognito on Chrome, private on Firefox, or a private window in whatever browser you prefer. Next, go straight to the official Epic Games account portal. Make sure you are using the real Epic Games website and not a random third-party page. Once the portal loads, try logging in using your email address. If you normally use a username, still try the email tied to your account, because Epic often handles sign-in best through the email login method. Now, if the login still fails, check whether you have any active VPN or proxy turned on. Epic's fraud protection can block account access if your IP address looks masked or suspicious. So, turn off any VPN apps, disable any proxy settings, and then try signing in again with a normal internet connection. In many cases, that alone can fix the account error right away. If you're still stuck, the next thing to do is clear out the launcher data that may be causing the issue. A damaged or expired login cookie saved on your computer can trap the Epic Games launcher in a loop and keep throwing generic account errors. To fix that, fully exit the Epic Games launcher first. Don't just close the window, make sure it's completely shut down. Go to your Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of the screen. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon if it's there, and close it completely. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and S to open Task Manager. Look for any lingering Epic Games Launcher processes still running in the background. If you see them, click each one and select End Task. This step is very important, because the launcher may still be active even after you think it's closed. Once the launcher is fully shut down, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %localappdata, and press Enter. This will take you directly to your localappdata folder. From there, open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Then, open the Saved folder. Inside the Saved folder, look for the webcache folder. You may also see similar folders with extra numbers at the end, like webcache_4147 or other webcache variants. These folders store browser and login data for the launcher, and if they become corrupted, they can cause sign-in errors, loading issues, and account-related problems. Delete the webcache folder entirely along with any webcache variants you see. Don't worry, this will not delete your Epic account or your games. It only removes local cache login data so the launcher can rebuild it fresh the next time it opens. After deleting those folders, restart your computer to make sure all related processes are fully cleared. When your PC turns back on, open the Epic Games Launcher again and try signing in one more time. In many cases, the account error will now be gone, because you've removed the corrupted cookie data and reset the login session. If the portal login worked in Incognito, but not the launcher, this cache reset often solves the issue. If you're still having trouble, double-check that your internet connection is stable, your VPN is still off, and you're using the correct Epic Games email. You can also try resetting your password if needed, especially if you haven't logged in for a while, or if Epic flagged the session for security reasons. So to recap, the fix is, open a private browser window, go to the official Epic Games account portal, turn off VPNs or proxies, try logging in with your email, fully exit the launcher, end all background tasks, and delete the webcache folder from app data. These steps solve a lot of common Epic Games account errors and launcher login loops. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.